Exercise 91, question 1. Solve this triangle. I'll do the first one and there's two more for you to have a go at. Solve means find the missing two sides, which are BC and AB, and also the missing angle B. Well, angle B is going to equal 180 degrees, which is the number of degrees in the triangle, minus the other two angles added together. So that's going to be minus 90 degrees, which is angle C, plus 35 degrees, which is angle A. So angle B equals 180 degrees minus 125 degrees, which is 55 degrees. Now, once we know that, we can use trigonometry. But even before we knew that, we can use trigonometry to find the other two sides. So using the given value, which is 35 degrees, that's a good tip. If you found something, then don't necessarily, unless you have to, use that figure to work out the other values. Use what you're given where possible, because if you then made a mistake here, at least you won't make a mistake on the other parts. So using angle A and trigonometry, we can find BC. To find side BC, we use the idea that BC is the opposite to the angle A. So if we know the opposite and we know the adjacent, which is angle AC, then to find the tangent of 35 degrees equals the opposite, which is BC, over the adjacent, which is 5. So rearranging this little equation for BC and writing that on the left, BC equals 5 times the tangent of 35 degrees. Making sure your calculator is in degrees, we can then work out what that is. And you should get the answer in the text. Similarly, to find angle AB, side AB, then we're given the adjacent, which is AC, and we want to find the hypotenuse, which is AB, so we use the sine. The sine of 35 degrees equals the opposite, so we don't want the sine, we want the cosine, because we're going to use what we know. The cosine of 30 degrees equals the adjacent, which is 5, divided by the hypotenuse, which is AB. Now rearranging this little equation, multiplying both sides by AB, we get AB cos 35 equals 5. Now dividing both sides by cos 35, we get AB equals 5 divided by cos 35. Again, check your calculators in degrees and then work that out. Use the fraction button on your calculator. That's a handy button to use. I think one of them's filled in. Most calculators have this fraction button, so you can actually put 5 divided by cos 35 in as a fraction. Now have a go at the other two questions.